بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Alhamdulillah, how are you all?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, ma. So previously, in the previous session, what we have discussed? We have discussed regarding the pronouns, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, inshallah. So today we are going to find one of the easiest topics in the Arabic language. One of the easiest as well as one of the yani, how do I say, important things to be learned in Arabic. Inshallah, first I'm going to teach you the theory in a matter of seconds. Okay. Later on I'm going to we are going to do the entire practice in the Quran today. Yeah. So okay, ma. We'll start. Bismillah. So remember, before we start today, we have to remember a few things. Memorization is important. Memorization, okay, is important. There are harf. There is a section known as harf in Arabic. Remember, guys, three kinds of words: ism, fi'il, and harf. Today we are going to discuss about the harf. Harf are of two types: harfun nasabi, okay, harfun nasabi, and harful jar. Harful jar, okay. So let us look, inshallah, what are harful jar and what are harful nasab, and how they act in a sentence. We are going to see today. Okay. Before I move, first of all, are you listening? Yeah, Hiba, Assalamu alaikum. You there?
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, I'm here.
Alhamdulillah. How many types of harf are there?
Uh, Two types.
What are they?
They are first one is حروف النصب, second one is حروف الجر.
MashaAllah. Ahsanti. Okay. Like that. Okay, MashaAllah. So see here, there are two types of harf. Harful nasab and harful jar. Okay, so see today, inshallah, we are going to find like one by one, we are going to look at the definition of harful jar. Later on, we are going to see the examples and what are harful jar, and later on we are going to apply them in the Quran. So inshallah, jar. It is known as preposition. Okay, preposition in English language. Okay, so what do I mean by this? What are prepositions in English language? In, at, by, and what else are prepositions? Hmm? Tell ma. See guys here, always remember, these are coming under the prepositions. So in, and, at, by, on, and similarly, etc. These are all the things, okay, we have. So what is the definition of this harful jar? Harful jar is a type of Arabic particle that comes before noun and causes. Like for example, in the house, right? So this is the house is a noun, and this in is a preposition. That is what the definition about. At the movie, naam, by the bus, نعم. So see, noun here, preposition. Preposition is coming. So what is the definition? Arabic particle that comes before a noun and causes to that noun to be in genitive case. To be in genitive case. What is genitive case, guys? Majrurun. First day of the class. Remember or not? Majrurun. Okay. So see here, meaning. Okay, how do we say the meaning? Like the nouns, the essence ending with the kasra sound. Ending with the kasra sound or kasratain, which is the tanween. Huh? That at the time of genitive we say these particular things. Okay, let us observe the things in example. Okay, for example, in Arabic, in translates to fi. Okay, in translates to fi. Okay, if I say fil bait, if I say fil baiti, okay, fil baiti. So fi is in, al baiti is the house. I couldn't say al baitu, it's wrong. I couldn't say al baita, it's wrong. I should always say al baiti. Because of what? Because of this harfal jar. Understood my point? Like this. Take the Quran and see. Whenever you see fi, the next word is always having the kasrah. Always ending the kasrah. Let us suppose, okay, if you have Quran with you, take out yani take out the following thing. Yani see here in Surah Al-Baqarah, you'll find uh, ayah 22 around something like that. You'll find fis sama, naam, fis sama. Okay, so fis sama you'll find. Okay, you'll not find fis sama or fis sama u. That is wrong. Always you'll.
في السماء.
Hmm. So see here, ma. That is the one example. Another example. See here. Uh, in Surah Al-Baqarah, one of the famous dua. ربنا آتنا هكذا. Yani you'll say that depends upon the flexibility. But whenever you observe this fee, you have always the things. Yani you have always the isms ending with the kasra, except the cases of exceptions. Okay, except the cases of exceptions like ربنا آتنا في الدنيا. Okay, here is an exception. Okay, here is an exception because dunya is non-flexible word. So therefore, it is an exception. Apart from this, in general, all the words, all the isms end with the kasra sound. Okay, always remember. Okay, now let me tell you what are the huruful jar. Huruful jar. Okay, and not only fi comes under the huruful jar, guys. Okay, apart from fi, there are many huruful jar. Like for example, let me give you the things. Okay, if you have copy or pen, make sure you note down this because you have to memorize this. Okay, if someone asks you what are the huruf of jar, you have to give the what are the huruf of jar. You have to give the following answer. Okay, the answer is ba. Okay, ta, ya, ya, lam. Aisha, question. Jazakallah khair. So see here, ba, ta, kaf, lam, wow, min, fi, an, ala, حتى sorry إلى. Let's remember, guys. So see here, these are the huruf al-jar. Try to repeat within your inner self. Ba, ta, kaf, lam, waw, min, fi, an. Okay, this is an, not nahnu. Okay, an. Here's ala, hatta, and ila. These are the huruful jarri. Inshallah. Memorize this. I will ask you anytime. I can call anybody random name. I can ask you, inshallah. So what does ba mean? What does ba here means? Example, like we have, like the exact meaning is in or with. Okay, in this particular exact meaning is in or with. For example, you have the following thing: Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillah. Okay, let us suppose. So what is here? This B is an harful jar. That is why you see, if we segregate this, we have received B plus ismi. Okay, ismi means name, and B means in. Okay, and Allahi. See, Bismillahi. The word Allah, lafzul jalalah, Allah. So you see here, so B is what? In. Ismi is what? Name. Whenever we merge them, okay, you need not write this alif. You just have to write as bismi. And you see here, the meme is with the kasrah. Bismi, right? You don't find bisma or bismu. It is wrong. Bismi is the right word. Naam? Fahimtum? Did you understand?
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, let me give you one more example. So see here. One more example is, let us use ta. Why is ta used? Ta is used for English term. What is the English term for harful jar? Harful jar. Yes, Shabnam. Harful jar. English term is preposition. Preposition. Okay. Okay. So see ta. Why is ta like? Why? How can it be a harful jar? Always remember, ta is used for swearing purpose. Okay, it has a purpose in the Quran. So how do I say that it has the swearing purpose? Naam. Because in the Quran, it is always given. Okay, it is given here. The ta. In Surah Yusuf. Naam. You find the following ayah. قالوا تالله لقد علمتم. قالوا تالله لقد علمتم. So see here, Allahi. What is here? This ta. Okay. If we segregate them, find ta plus lafzul jalala Allah. Okay. So we'll find ta plus Allah, tallah. What does this particular sentence mean? Yani swearing by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yani what was the context talking about? It was the Yusuf alayhi salatu wasalam's brother. They replied, okay. قالوا تالله, by Allah, you know well that we did not come to cause trouble in the land, nor we are the thieves. Now, that is what it was said in Yusuf 73. Go and check, inshallah. Here, قالوا تالله means